In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get read receipt confirming email viewed in Outlook. If you've ever wondered whether someone actually opened your message, a read receipt can help. In Outlook on the web, you can request a confirmation so that, when the recipient opens your email, Outlook asks their mail app to send you a notice. Keep in mind, this isn't a guarantee. Many organizations block read receipts, and recipients can choose not to send them. Still, it's a useful tool when you need extra confirmation. Start by opening your browser and heading to your favorite search engine. Type Outlook, then click the official Microsoft Outlook website to open your mailbox. Once you're in your inbox, you're ready to compose a new message. Click New Mail to open a fresh Compose window. At the top of this Compose window, look for the toolbar and select Options. This is where Outlook keeps additional sending controls for the message you're writing. In the Options menu, click Request Read Receipt. When you do this, Outlook attaches a read receipt request to this specific email. It's a per-message setting, so it applies only to the message you're composing right now. If you change your mind before sending, just click the option again to turn it off. Now write your email as you normally would. Add recipients, a clear subject, and your message content. When you send it, Outlook will try to notify you when the recipient opens the message, as long as their email system allows it and they consent. If everything lines up, you'll receive a confirmation in your inbox indicating that the message was read, sometimes with the time it was viewed. If you don't receive a read receipt, it usually means the recipient declined, their organization blocks it, or their mail app doesn't support sending one. A few helpful tips to make this work better. Use read receipts sparingly. Overusing them can feel intrusive. For time-sensitive or critical emails, consider noting politely in the message that you've requested a read receipt, so recipients understand why they may see a prompt. Read receipts confirm opens, not link clicks or detailed tracking, and they're different from delivery receipts, which only confirm that a message reached the recipient's mail server. If you don't see the Request Read Receipt option, maximize your window or look for a More Options or three-dot menu in the Compose toolbar. Layouts can vary slightly. That's the whole flow. Open Outlook, start a new email, go to Options, and choose Request Read Receipt. Send your message, and watch for a confirmation if the recipient's settings allow it.